The Phoenix Suns, who hired Vogel as their new head coach on Friday, are paying quite a bit to solve that problem. The apparent runner-up to Vogel for Phoenix's head coaching job was top assistant Kevin Young, who designed Monty Williams's pick-and-roll offense and has earned high praise for his X's and O's acumen. Young would have had no shortage of opportunities elsewhere after missing on the head coaching job, but Vogel and Suns owner Matt Ishbia have reportedly convinced him to remain in Phoenix. According to ESPN's Adrian Wojnarowski, doing so wasn't cheap. According to Wojnarowski, Ishbia is making Young the highest-paid assistant coach in the NBA. Young will earn $2 million per year as Vogel's top aide, and while that positions Vogel to succeed with the Suns, it also puts quite a bit of pressure on him.